Hello guys, this video is for those who all want to become a web developer but they don't know how much languages to learn, how to become a web developer. Then this video is for them. So let's get started. Today I'm going to tell you the languages which you need to become a web developer. And these languages are enough. These languages are enough to be a web developer, like to code, to add designs, to handle servers and all the things you need. I've seen many people who are learning many languages just to become a web developer, but you need just four. So let's start the video. So first language is very simple and it is very essential. That is HTML. First, I tell you that HTML is not enough to become a web developer because it will help you to make a very simple website, very simple, and it will. But it is also important because it will tell you how to make forms, how to make different things, how to get the input, and you cannot code without HTML for a website. So HTML is a basic. So let's. So now you will there will be a question that how to design a website. I know that I've seen many people that who are learning CSS, and and we all know that CSS is a very vast language. It has different types of functions, different type of command. So I may tell you one thing that you don't need CSS, and CSS is not as much essential to get to be a designer because it will not help you out with all your needs to design a website. But you can learn Bootstrap. It is enough to be a designer because Bootstrap is a great language and you can learn it in one day. If you are able to learn in one day, like if you sit for almost 4 to 5 hours, then you can learn whole Bootstrap and make a good website. That will make your practice for the Bootstrap, and it is very easy and it is very useful. So I recommend to make it to learn Bootstrap because it will help you out a lot for the designing, and you don't have to learn such a big language like CSS, which is very vast. And if you want to become a freelancer, then you can use Bootstrap. Now second language is JavaScript. JavaScript is a great language and it can help you out in many things. Like JavaScript can make apps like web apps. Now you will think many of you will know web apps, what are web apps, but though for those who don't know about web apps, they are the apps which can be run on browser. Now what is the benefit of web apps? Web apps can be used by a great amount of audience because we know that there are different specifications for different app, different platforms to run a specific app. But if you will make a web app, that will run on your browser, and now it doesn't matter what type of app it is, you can run it on browser and what platform are you using currently. So this is the advantage of web apps, and you can made it with JavaScript, and it will help you out to make games in Unity, but not much because Unity uses C sharp, but JavaScript also. But JavaScript is not enough for game development. But if you want to make a simple game like snake game, games with low graphics and flat things, so you can definitely use it to make Ludo, chess, different apps, and it will run on your browser, and you can give your website to anyone and you will get a great traffic on your website and will help you to earn a lot. And if you know JavaScript, then it will very easy for you to make a website which can perform complex tasks. Like you can make a website like Amazon, Flipkart. You can make a website which will help everyone out in photo editing, and we know that in today's world photo editing is a very great topic and people want to learn about it. And if you will give your website to them, then they can learn also and you will get good traffic, advertisements, which will help you out a lot. So these three were the websites which you need to become a web developer. Now I want to give you a recommendation that you must learn PHP or Node.js. Now you will be saying that we can code through these languages, we can design it, So why we need to PHP and Node.js? So it will help you out for the server. The server in the sense, for example, you make a form in which the user will enter data like his location, okay, and your website will access his location and his name, his class, etc. What is his salary. Then you made a button. By clicking it, the detail will come to you. But how will this detail come to you? This coming of detail cannot be done through JavaScript or HTML. For this, you will need PHP or Node.js because they will handle your server. And while you are with a team, or suppose you are making a good website, a website for a client, and he is paying you good amount. So what will happen when you want to get the error or it is working correctly or not? So you will need them definitely because they will tell you the error from the browser, and they will help a lot. And Node.js and PHP are the languages for those. Node.js also you have to learn React also. Now, if you want to become a freelancer or you are doing your own business, then you can learn PHP because it will help you out a lot also, and it is not also very tough. That doesn't mean Node.js is tough, but yes, PHP is easier than Node.js and it can complete all. And if you want to get a job also, then you can work with PHP because nowadays companies are also allotting workers of PHP and people are earning a lot by PHP. But if you want to get a good job, so I highly recommend you Node.js because it will do same work as PHP. But people today, companies today are hiring the people of Node.js who know. That doesn't mean but companies are not hiring PHP workers. They are hiring them also. But the priority is to Node.js worker. But if I tell you, then most of the business persons who use to make websites, they use PHP, and I recommend you to learn PHP also because it is a good language and it will help a lot because it is very complex code of Node.js, but PHP code is not so much complex. So I highly recommend to learn PHP, and if you want to learn both, so it will be a great thing to you because if you will learn both and if you write in CV, that will make a lot of effect to the person who's reading it, and you will have a lot of chances. And many people are there who know PHP Node.js both. So I recommend you either learn PHP Node.js or if you can, so learn both. So these were the four websites. One note to you that if you know HTML, Bootstrap, and JavaScript, then it is also enough for web development. But you will like a kid coder, like you will not able to perform many things. You will not able to do many things like getting the data, sending data, etc. But this can be done through PHP and Node.js. So these all four languages are essential for a web developer. You cannot do that. I learned this. I don't learn Bootstrap, but these are essential to all developer, and you must have to learn it. So if you like the video, so please press the thumbs up button. Comment below your queries. Did you like your views on this video? Subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video till the end.